Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add a table to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell, and we'll indicate the left side of the table using a vertical line. Now, depending on the number of columns, each column name will be separated by a vertical line. So we'll add in 2 columns, programming language, and then developer. And the far right of the table here will be another vertical line. Now, to indicate that this is the header row, we'll add a vertical line followed by dashes, and another vertical line followed by another set of dashes for the 2 columns. And then we'll add in the contents. So following the same structure where there's 3 vertical lines and the contents between each section. So we'll add in the programming languages, Python, and then the developer is Python Software Foundation, followed by the second language here is Java, and the developer is Oracle Corporation, and then C, and the developer is Dennis Ritchie and Bell Labs. Then the last language here we'll add in is Go, and the developer is the Go authors. So once we run the cell, we now have a table here of the program language and the developers. So this is how to add a table to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.